What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding cable lead reels. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Reelcraft Hand Crank Hose Reel. Reelcraft is a well-known brand in the reel industry, and the CA32112 liter is another. This reel with welding features its unique design because it doesn't have any welding joints, which are known to weaken as time passes. It is a study bolt-inspired design that permits for high-end applications. This reel is designed to accommodate the longest cables and hoses without bending or breaking in time. It is simple to maintain the reel, since it requires regular lubrication, particularly before use. The bearings are constructed of premium steel that is well matched with the swivel. This results in permitting easy unwinding of the reel. It is likely that this reel to last for quite a while as it is constructed from the highest quality steel. Number 2. Coxreels Welding Cable Reel. If you're keen on tools for your workshop, you won't require an introduction to Coxreels, one of the most well-known brands in the field. The Coxreels 1125 WCL6C large capacity hand crank welding cable stands at an amazing size of 18 by 21, providing an unusually large drum, which gives you added advantages during use. It can run as much as 250 feet in number 1 cable, as well as 300 feet in number 2 cables. Another wonderful characteristic of this top-performing reel is that it uses premium heavy-duty steel used in its production. The use of steel reinforced assures that the reel will last for a long time, allowing it to last for a long time and can withstand high-end usage. The 2-year warranty signifies that the manufacturer is confident in the durability and performance of this product. One issue that makes the Coxreels 1125 WCL6C large capacity hand crank welding cable less attractive is its inability to retract the cable. It utilizes a compact hand crank for retracting rather than the power. Number 3. ATD Twin Welding Hose Reel. In terms of flexibility and adjustability, there aren't many welding hose reels comparable to those of this at Tools 31170 Twin Welding Hose Reel. The roller can be positioned with the outlet arm at 5 different angles. Remarkably, the ratchet comes with 8 different settings that enable the secure locking of your cord or hose. You can select the length that is ideal for your needs. This hefty reel is made of professional-grade, heavy-duty steel, giving it a solid feel and allowing you to use and mount it easily. This reel can be hung on the ceiling, floor workbenches, or on a wall based on your preferences. For more details on the top bench and welding table to use with cable reels, read our complete guide for more information. Contrary to the majority of welding hose reels, at Tools 31170 Twin Welding Hose Reel is equipped with 2 hoses, each measuring a ½ inch long and 50 feet in length. Number 4. 10 Black Double Fixed. 10 Black Double Fixed Base Cable Lead Reel for welding is a huge space saver that's a must-have for busy or huge metal workshops. There aren't many comparable products about usability and performance when in use. The hose reel for welding comes with high-quality friction that can be adjusted manually. The friction brake permits users to adjust the tension, which can help to stop lead spooling that is free. Another feature you will appreciate in this reel is the powder coat, which keeps its glossy black finish and withstand easy scratching and tearing. The circular design with vents allows for proper circulation of air around the cable to aid in cooling. It is possible to secure the cables with the lock pull pin even when the reel is not being used. Number 5. Spring-Driven Hose Reel. This Reelcraft hose reel is made of an automated welded and placed base that provides maximal strength for the storage of gas hoses with heavy welding. The highly valued rated hose reel is built of reinforced, extremely durable steel, which guarantees long-term usage in the workshop. The hard surface of the reel makes it resistant to scratches easily, permitting it to keep its vibrant appearance. Another excellent feature of this top-quality Reelcraft hose reel is the stress-free swing. The swivel has full flow and perfectly integrates with the materials and bearings, allowing it to operate smoothly and efficiently. The drive spring on the reel is equipped with a D-clutching rod, which eliminates the possibility of the spring being damaged by reverse winding. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.